Alright, it's JB back at you guys again with another episode of JB's Goats and Livestock. Well, I'm here. I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick update on the baby kids that you guys see in the previous video that was being born. So I'm here. I'm dressing the navel. I'm using some iodine. So yeah, I dressed that one before. There's mama watching everything that's taking place. This one is so cozy, eyes looking and stuff. Well, yeah, I'm just using a Q-tip and I'm dressing around the navel. So here you go, little one. So yeah, so I'm gonna just this one that lies down like he don't have no strength in him. Oh, come on, little critter. Yeah. So I'm gonna like use the hoof trippers, although it's not supposed to use, and I'm gonna take off a little bit of the right off that. So, okay. Yeah, it's like 2 females and it's 1 female and 2 males. So yeah, that's it. I'm just getting that navel dress and stuff. So yeah, there you guys go. Alright, so basically these are the rest of the critters. Yeah, the rest of them is outside. You know, there's my boy Santos. He needs a little bit more working on, but he's gonna get there. You know, come on, give mama a suck. You can do it. Come on. So this small one is the female and these 2 boys are the male. Let me take up this iodine before it spills over on all of them. Yeah, so you know, this are Jamaican thing. We now go pretty it up. Okay, you don't know how it go. So you know, yeah, I'm not you guys' mother. I might be there when the birth was going on and thing, but she'll do that on her own time, and I guess she's just waiting for me to move. And there you are. There you guys are. Alright, so you know, they all want me to give them some grains. That's what they love. Look at her. Even the iodine she wanna take it. So yeah, so basically this is it, and this is the update on the little white boy. He's been born like a couple days now. Yeah, the other one that was shown in the video, he was born a couple days now. There's mama, and there he goes, right on the mama. Yeah, I'm gonna set up a different structure than this. I'm just in the process of building. So yeah, so there's my boy Pote. He's young, still needs some more working on. And well, I only named 2 of the goats, only 2 of them, and it's the 2 rams that I got. That's Porte and that's Santos. Well, I guess they say he's a Nubian mix, so you guys know about that. But the rest of them are like Jamaican local goats. This one is like a graded boar, I guess. Yeah, and she got a name. Her name is Wiley, because from ever since I got her, she's been running all over the place. She don't like people, not one bit. She doesn't. Yeah, see, I got some lumber some posts, some pallets. Yeah, I've been using the pallets as like a feeding spot for them same way, so they can eat. So yeah, basically this is it. This is JB's goats and livestock. Right, look, there you go, there you go. Caught in action. Wiley. And this is like the calmest goat I have. This goat, he likes to be scratched. So yeah, that's the update on the kids and stuff. I'm trying to look for her sister, but his sister, but I guess she's somewhere laying down. She always try to find some nice cool spot to lay. Found her. She's under one of the pallets. Yeah, this is Jamaica. You guys know the sun. Alright, there she is. She does not like me. When her brother will come up to me and let me greet him, she does not. So she turn. And these are the next two twins. Their mother passed away. Sorry. And this girl, she only have one kid. She got some huge ass titties. Where's she going? She doesn't like me one bit, but only if I got feed in my hand. See? The calmest goat. Always following me up. Should I name her Calm? Yeah, got some grass and stuff. Yeah, they're always waiting on grains. But I tend to let them try and get some regular stuff first before the grains. Alright, so this is about it. And why I said livestock, I tend to have some chickens. I don't really show them much, but yeah, I got chickens. I don't know if you guys are gonna see this focus. Focus? Okay, there you go. These are the young ones, and around here I got the older ones. These are like, let me see if I can get the camera focused here. These are 4 weeks. So you know they got like 2 more weeks to go. They're looking pretty damn good still. So I don't know if you guys can see me clear enough. I'm actually using my phone. My GoPro battery died, so I'm using the phone. But I actually got some nice footage to show you guys. But I guess that's gonna have to be shown another time. So my goats feed on grains, hay. I got grass also. Them call these water grass. It's dried out now, but it's like water grass. When them bite it, there's a lot of moisture inside of it. Let me see if I can find some fresh side to it. I guess not. I guess this needs changing right now. But see, this goat is everywhere. So yeah. Santos sometimes likes to play. I guess he's not in the mood. He will just come up on me and try to buck me. But I guess he's not in the mood today. As I said, he needs some more working on. Nah, he's not in the mood. So again, this is my farm. Subscribe, like, comment, share, leave all your reviews and let me know what I'm doing bad from what I'm doing good. And yeah, I'm new to this YouTube thing, so cut me some slack. Alright, peace out.